For the second read, never skip the second read. This repeated engagement with the story really helps learners to learn new vocabulary and language and to deepen their understanding of the story. Read the story aloud, clearly, fluently, and with expression. Embed meaning as you read. Use voice, gestures, actions, and the picture to help learners understand the story. Again, at the end of each page, model how to think about the story. Pause and act like you are thinking. Share your thoughts aloud. Do this by reading or saying the points in the second read block. Make sure there is a clear difference in your delivery. Learners must know when you are reading and when you are thinking aloud. Watch as Coach Lungi Batala demonstrates the second read with a grade 3 class from Sitanani Primary School.
All right, grade 3s, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Very good. I want you to all look at me because we are now going to do read 2 of the story. When we do read 2 of the story, I want you to again to visualize the story. Make a mental movie. Think about everything that is going on in the story. As you think about the story, I also want you to think about what's right and what's wrong in the story. What is good and what is bad in the story. We call that making an evaluation. Say the word evaluation for me.
Evaluation.
Very good. When I read, I will show you how I make my own evaluation of the story. And I want you to try with me and try to make your own evaluation of the story. Okay, boys and girls? All right. The title of our story is Jabu Scrambles Eggs. Jabu's mother was preparing dinner. I'm going to play soccer with my friends, Jabu called, running out the door. Wait! Jabu's mother called. Please go to the shop and buy a dozen eggs and a bottle of milk, said his mother as he handed a shopping list and some money. Jabu didn't want to go to the shop, but he smiled and said, "Okay, Mom, thank you. Please be careful not to break the eggs," said his mother. "Don't worry, Mama. I'm always careful," Jabu replied as he walked out the door. I can make an evaluation that Jabu wants to be helpful because he doesn't say no to his mom, even though he wants to go and play with his friends. He smiles and says, "Okay."